Good morning, folks. Another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday, and these are the top 5 things to know today in financial markets. Kicking things off at number 1, let's get a coronavirus outbreak update. The number of confirmed deaths in China continues to climb, reaching 427. The number of confirmed cases is up to over 20,000 as well as of Monday night. And just to think, we were at around 40 or 50 a couple weeks ago. However, there is cause for optimism. Most of the cases have been contained just to China as of now. So really, we see that optimism kind of lifting global financial markets today. With that being said, the situation remains fickle. Headlines regarding the coronavirus will likely continue to sway sentiment in the near term. So keep your eyes for any headlines and updates regarding the number of confirmed deaths, especially if we get an update on any cases in the U.S. On to number 2, that optimism is really feeding into global financial markets. Markets in China rebounded from their worst day in more than 4 years. The Shanghai Composite closed up more than 1% on the session. They tumbled almost 8% a day earlier. In Europe, stocks are higher as well. And on Wall Street, the Dow futures are pointing to strong gains, up about 300 points at the moment. Market sentiment continues to blow many away. We see the price action in Tesla. The bulls are going absolutely nuts with that one. So keep your eyes on stocks and how they perform during the day, and if they continue to extend this rally. On to number 3, despite the cheery mood on Wall Street, Google shares look set for a down day. They're trading off about 4% lower this morning after missing analyst estimates on their quarterly on its quarterly report released after Monday's closing bell. They also posted their slowest revenue growth since 2015. The earnings miss came due to a slowdown in its core advertising business. However, Google did release growth metrics for the first time on its cloud computing business as well as on YouTube. We saw healthy growth at both those divisions. So again, wouldn't surprise me if the stock turns green at the end of the day, especially with momentum coming in from the broader market. And digging deeper into the results beyond the slowdown in the ad growth revenue, many of the metrics in that report were actually positive. On to number 4. Earnings will continue to remain in focus with media giant Walt Disney reporting its latest quarterly results after Tuesday's closing bell. Beyond the top and bottom line numbers, most of the focus will be on any updates Disney provides regarding subscriber growth numbers at its Disney Plus streaming service, which was launched late last year. Disney seems to be making strong gains as it competes with Netflix in the fast-growing streaming space. However, in focus additionally will be any comments from management regarding the impact from the coronavirus. Disney has shut down many of its theme parks in China as a result of the outbreak. So we'll see if they warn on that for the quarter ahead. And finally, number 5, market players will also have politics to deal with following the debacle in the Democratic Iowa caucus last night. The results weren't released due to a technical issue. So we'll expect to finally get those results later on Tuesday throughout the day. A victory by Bernie Sanders, the Vermont senator, will likely spook markets. However, as we can see right now, markets are just disregarding everything. Many of Sanders' policies are seen as a negative to Wall Street, so keep an eye on those results as well. And later on tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, President Trump, with his annual State of the Union address at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. That should make some headlines. Get your popcorn ready. That should be a good one. That's it for me for today. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good day, everybody.